Okay, children, we are going to finish the today's, this is factorization one. Okay, that is the another topic. Okay, how to factorize. Okay, by grouping the given terms. And I'm going to teach you how to group them. How to group them. Okay, I'm going to teach that here. When we factorize, then how to put the given terms in the correct group, that I am going to show you here. Okay, children, and according to the today's class, okay, it will be like this one. Okay, this is yesterday's one. Okay, this we have already learned how to take common. Okay, this I have taught you, I have explained you, isn't it, Aditya? This,
Yes, sir.
yeah, common taken one already explained. And today I am going to tell you how to factorize by grouping the term. That is question number 3. Okay, children, this also. And this question, this last one question, this question I had given as a work. Okay, okay, in your work this question is given. And this y minus x we have to convert into x minus y. Okay, for that, if you change y minus x into x minus y, then here will be sign change. Okay, she has plus sign, it will be minus 3 here. Okay, then x minus y, x minus y, x minus y, all x minus y. Then we can take x minus y common now. If you take x minus y common now, and first, from first there is remaining. Look there, what is remaining from the first? From the first there is remaining a, from second there is remaining minus b, and from last it is remaining minus 3. Okay, then x minus y is one factor, a minus b minus 3 is another factor. And here is the today's problem one. Okay, today's questions are here. How to factorize, okay, the given algebraic expression by grouping them. Look here, children. Can you tell how many terms are there? Simrika, how many terms are here?
Sir, 4.
Good. Aditya is a good boy. Okay, you are showing the reaction. There are 4 terms. Look, we have to make the group of two terms here. Okay, these 2 terms we have to make in one group, and these 2 terms we have to make in another group. And the question is that how to separate them in one group. Okay, separate group one. Okay, children, we have to put those terms in one group. Okay, in ways, after taking the common. Okay, after taking common, look here, I am going to show you. If you take common from these 2 terms, first 2 terms, Aditya, what is common in first 2 terms?
Sir, A.
Good. A. If you take A common, and what is remaining in bracket?
Sir, X and Y.
X plus Y. X plus Y is remaining in bracket. Good. Now can you tell what is the common in for the last second last and last one?
Sir, B.
Very good. We have to tell sign also. Plus B we have to tell. Okay. Which sign is here first? This first sign we have to take common. Okay, children. This first sign, what is here? Plus, then plus we have to take common. Right? Plus here, then plus B common here now. If you take plus B, can you tell Aditya what is remaining in the bracket?
Sir, X plus Y.
You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Very good student. You are okay. You are showing the response. Now look here. How to know that our grouping was correct or not? Look here. Hey, this is a very important part. Inside this bracket, what is remaining? First bracket, what is remaining?
Sir, X plus Y.
And what is remaining in the second bracket?
Sir, X plus Y.
Good. If they are same, then only we have to understand that our grouping is correct. Okay. If they are different, then our grouping will be incorrect. Okay. Understood, children? Tejas, have you
Yes, sir.
understood? Have you understood, Tejas?
Yes, sir.
What is same factor there remaining? X plus y is same, that's why. Now we have to take x plus y common. What is common there now? If there's same remaining one, x plus y is common. Okay. If x plus y is common, then what is it left? Remaining one put in another bracket. What is remaining? A plus B
So
is
A plus
remaining. A plus B is remaining, and that should be kept in another bracket. Like this, we will get two factor. Okay, children? Like this, we will get the two factor. Have you understood? Simran? Hello, children. Are you listening my sound?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now look here, I am going to show you the next one. See here. I am going to show this one, look here. As I told you, first of all, write the question after solution, okay? What is common there? A, then x plus y common, then x plus y common, then what is remaining? A plus b is left, and that is the answer. X plus y is one factor, a plus b is another factor. Are you clear, Sadikya?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am going to show you the next one here. According to the next question, look here. According to next question, they are in group or not, correct group or not. Look, I am going to show you. They are in correct group. Look, A common, first two one, and last two three common, because 3 2s are 6. 3 common. Then B plus 2 is common. Then B plus 2 common take on. What is left? A plus 3 is left. Have you understood, Sujin? Okay. Now I am going to ask to Sital Limbo. In this question number 3, first two term, what is common? What is common in first two term? Hello Sital, are you listening to me? Riddhima Maharjan. Okay. Now look here, x is common in first two term, x common take, x plus y left, and here is minus common. Okay, where is minus first? Minus common we have to take. Then z also common. If you take minus z common, then here is left x and plus, because look here, I want to show you one very important thing here. See here, in this minus sign, there will be how many sign? One will be minus sign and another will be plus sign, because plus into minus is minus. If we take minus common here, then what is remaining now here? What is remaining? What is the remaining, children? Which sign is remaining there?
Plus. Plus.
That's why here will be left plus. X plus y is remaining here. Then here is also x plus y. Now we have to take x plus y common. Okay, children? Then we have to take x plus y common. Then what is remaining here? X, here remaining minus z. X plus y is one factor. X minus z is another factor. These are the two factors from this question. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Now look at question number 4. In question number 4, first of all, we have to shuffle that, okay? When you shuffle this term, because when you take this two term, then our remaining is coming or not, we have to check that first. Okay, if it comes same, it comes same, it's correct. Otherwise, we have to change the place of the term, okay? But here is no need to change the place because AB common, AB taken common, here is left A because A square means A into A. A common gone, then A left here, then here left plus 2 because AB already common gone, minus B common here. If you take minus B common, then what is remaining here? What is remaining there? A plus 2 because minus common gone here. I want to repeat it again. Here in this minus sign, which sign are there? Plus and minus sign are there because plus into minus is minus. If you take minus common here, okay, what is remaining children here? Here is remaining plus. Understood? Understood children?
Yes, sir.
What is common now? Can you tell? Subodhini, can you tell Subodhini?
Sir.
What is common now? Now A plus 2 is common. A plus 2 is common. Yes. Take A plus 2 common. What is remaining here? AB, here remaining B. Again, here is common. What is common here? Again, what is same here and here? In this remaining one, B. Do you know?
B.
Yeah. Do you know or not? In front of B, what is the coefficient here? 1.
Some
1.
minus.
1. 1 is the coefficient. Minus 1 is the coefficient. If you take B common, here will be left minus 1, here will be left A. Okay, children? Now we have to take B common here. It is A plus 2. Here is remaining A minus 1. These are our 3 factor. One factor is B, another factor is A plus 2, another factor is A minus 1. Ankit Mahajan, are you clear about this question? Release. Hello, Release. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good. Now, look here. I am going to show you the next question. That is number 5. How many terms are there? There are also 4 terms. Okay. First of all, look here. First of all, in first 2 terms, what is common there? AB common. AB common. If AB goes common, here left 1B because there is B square means B into B. And here is one coefficient is left, that is 1. And this last two also there is common. What is common, children? Last one. Here is nothing means here will be also 1. That's why this one and this one common. Take this one common, okay? Then what is remaining? Here remaining B and here remaining minus. Minus because we know that in this plus sign there are how many minus? There are also 2 minus. Because minus into minus is plus. That's why if 1 minus has gone common, then 1 minus is remaining. Okay, children? Here from plus, if minus has gone common, 1 minus will be remaining here. Then we have to take now B minus 1 common. B minus 1 common, here left AB and here left minus 1. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Now let's see VI number. In VI number, in question number VI, look here. What is common in this first 2? M square. Here is remaining M minus N. What is common in last 2? N square, right? M minus N is left here. M minus N same. That means we have to understand these two are same. That's why we have to understand our factorization is going to be correct. Okay, children. Then we have to take now m minus n common. Okay, take m minus n common. After taking m minus n common, if you take m minus n common, what is remaining in the bracket? Remaining is there
M
n
square plus
square plus n square. Good. Are you clear, children? Are you clear here? Okay. Okay, look here. In this one, I want to show you one correction there. In the question one, here is one wrong typing one, okay, mistake one. This one bx, but here must be b only. Look in this question. There is b only. Okay, children?
okay, sir.
Okay. Here must be b only. And look in this vi number also you have become clear. Okay, children? And here, according to this one, have you become clear, children, how to make the grouping? While doing factorize, how to make the group? Are you clear about it? We were here in this question.
Yes,
Okay, here in bi number, I told that m square is common. M square is common and m minus n left. In last two terms, there is n square common. Here also left m minus n. Then m minus n same. Then our factorization is correct. M minus n right there. M square is left from first and plus n square is left from second. That remaining one also keep in bracket. Okay, children? Now look at this BII, the 7 number. In this question, look here. In this four terms, what is common in first two terms? xy, then x plus 4 left. In last two terms, minus y square left, x plus 4 left, remaining one in bracket. Now x plus 4 is taken common. Then xy minus y square here. Again, can you tell what is common in second bracket? Kelvin, can you tell?
sir. Why?
Y, very good, y. Then here left x plus 4 and here is remaining x minus y. These are the three factors, okay, of this question. Now can you tell children what are common here? If there is no common, then we have to shuffle, okay, we have to change their place. This second term we can put in last term, okay. Because first and second there is no common, that's why we have, look here, I have kept here this second term in which place? I have kept in last one. Understood, children? Why I have kept this 6b cube at last? Because there was no common in a cube and 6b cube. Right? There was no common. That's why this second term is kept last one. Now, is there any common, children? What is common in first two term? Can you tell?
Sir, A.
A square is common. A square. We have to take the highest one, okay, maximum one. A square is common. Here is left A, here is left minus 2b. Here is 3b square common. A left here, okay, and here left minus 2b, because 3 to the 6. That's why from this 6, look here, in this 6, look here, which is factor there? 2 into 3, right? If you take 3 common, already here 3 common, then what is remaining here now? 2 left. In b cube, b square already got common, then b left, 1b is remaining there. Okay, children? Now see there, what is the same factor in these two? A minus 2b, a minus 2b, a minus 2b is common, and here is left a square, here is left plus 3b square. These are the two factors of this question. Are you clear, student? Sarita, are you understanding? Look in 9 number. In question number 9, there are 6 terms. We can make the group of 3 terms, but I have prepared the group of 2 terms here. First, x, a common here, one, ax and a common, bx and by, b common, minus c and minus cy, look, minus cx minus cy, minus c common. Then here is also left x plus y. Then x plus y is common, then here is left a, here is left plus b, and here is remaining minus c. These are the two factors of this question. Are you clear, children? Hello,
Yes,
children, are you
sir.
clear? Okay. Sitala, are you understanding? Hello, Sakshi, have you understood? Sakshi, have you understood? Hello, Sakshi, have you understood this? Okay, Sakshi is not speaking now. Suyog, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. So the response, okay. Now look here. What is common in this? Look, 4, 5, 6 term. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. First 2 term. Okay. First 2 term in one group. This middle one 2 term in another group. And last 2 term in another group. Look here. 3 groups are there. X square common, a minus b left here. Here also 2x common, a minus b left. Here minus 4 common, a minus b left. Look here, our grouping is correct or not? How to know? This remaining and this remaining in bracket, this remaining in bracket, they must be same. Are they same?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then we have to take now a minus b common. Here is remaining x square, here is remaining plus 2x, and here is remaining minus 4. These two are the factors of this question. Okay, children? And similarly, look here, next one here. Next one, in 11 number, they are given in bracket. Look, the bracket 1, what are given in bracket? Are they same? No,
No, sir.
they are not same. That's why they are not in correct group. That's why we have to open the bracket. While opening bracket, xy multiply with a square, xy a square, xy multiply with 1 plus 1xy minus a multiply with x square minus ax square, and minus into plus minus ay square. Like this we will get 4 terms. We will get 4 terms there. Okay, children? Is there any difficulty here? How many terms are there? 4 terms.
Sir, 4.
Yes. Release. Now we have to shuffle them. Okay. Change the second term into last term. Okay. Second term put in last term. And we have to sub. Second term put in last term. Then if you take common here, ax common, here what is left? Y. What is left here? Ay. Because there are a square. A square means a into a. Ay is remaining here. And minus x is remaining in second. And here minus y common and ay minus x. Because I am repeating it again and again. In plus sign there are two minus. One minus common gone. Then one minus remaining here. Okay. Okay, children. Now ay minus x is common, ax minus y is remaining in another bracket. Hello, Relis, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now look at this one, 12 one. You also remove the bracket here first because they are not in correct group. Open the bracket and shuffle them. This second term put in last term minus cb square. Second term put in last term, then put common here now. What is common here? A common. A common means ca left here plus h left b square. In last two terms there is minus c common, ca left here and plus b square left. Now look, in the first bracket there is ca plus b square, and second bracket there is, look here, ca plus b square. Are they same? They are same, that's why our shuffling grouping is correct. Now ca plus b square and a minus c is remaining in the bracket. These are the two factors. These are the two factors of this factorization, these expressions. Okay, children, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I am moving to the next one. Okay. See here, children. I am moving to the next one that is related to formula. Okay. Everybody, you should note down that. Okay. I am showing this, look here, in formula. This one look here. This a square minus b square means which formula do you know? You have learned in class 7 also, I think. What is the formula of a square minus b square?
A plus B, A minus B.
You are absolutely right. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. This formula we are going to use in next exercise while factorizing the question. That given expression. Okay. A plus b and a minus b. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
We are going to read about this formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. And look here, how to show that in geometrical way. That is also I am going to show here now only. See here, what is this, children? Can you tell? What type of figure is this?
Sir, rectangle.
It looks like rectangle, but I have prepared the square. Okay, look, I am going to show you again. See here, this is square, right? This is square. Okay. If this is A, side A, this is also side A. Okay. This is also side A. This is also side A. What will be the area of this square, children? Can you tell? Its area will be A square.
A to the power 4.
A square. Length into length, that is, length is A, another length also A. A into A will be A square. Okay, children? A into A is A square. Can you tell, look here, here at this corner I am drawing one small and the square. Okay, I am drawing here and the small square. Its length I am taking here B. B, here also B. Okay, here also B. and here also B, and here also B. Can you tell children what will be the area of this small square at the corner 1? What is the area of this one? Area? Its area is B square. Okay, children? Small one is B square and this bigger one is A square. All the remaining I am going to explain you in the next period. Okay, children? This bigger one is A square and this small one is B square. Okay, today this much only, this class, okay? And next period we will do next exercise. Okay, children?
So can you show the previous slide?